Now we will test. For example, you thought of that two different page for a same product. For example, here in your website for portfolio management, okay, you thought two different pages. You thought that two different pages, one is a page with video, they add everything, that is a one page you thought. The one more page you thought, like how to create a one more page, we have to copy that page here, duplicate page, we'll say portfolio management technique. Okay, like this you thought of the one more page. Okay, the name of the page is different. Again you like to change that particular page text, like okay, like this you would like to change the text, and some of the things you would like to change in that particular page, delete. Okay, no need to show anything else. You would like to show only the data and collapse not collapsible. Okay, like this you would like to change the data. Product will be same, you have given a different name and different structure for your page, and you have been hide that page from the navigation, hide from the navigation. So two pages you have, okay, for a product management itself, but one is a product management, one is a product management technique, and you like to know that for which page there is a many of them are visiting. Okay, to create that one we have to go to create experiment, we'll say redirect. Okay, first page, I would like to take a first page is nothing but a original one, that is the portfolio management page. Copy that particular link, copy the link here, control V. Then redirect test. Okay, redirect test will be selected here. Observe that one. Create. Now one more variant. I would like to add the variant to the redirecting. Add variant. Okay, new page I will say, variant name. Okay, this one is a which page you would like to redirect. I will say the new page which one we have created right now. Select that page, copy that link, page link, and control V. Okay, this is a new page we have been selected. Then we'll say done. Okay, so we have been created a two pages. One is a original page, this is a original page. Second one is a, this is a new page we have been created, this one. Okay, for that we have been selected a link. Okay, and we will target audience. Okay, it may be, for example, you like to target a audience, customize only the behavior basis, or we can say that geography basis, for example a city, okay, or country. I would like to show this page, the new variant page for India. Add. So the new page will be shown to only to the Indians, and the this original page will be shown to everyone. In the sense, you may be having some of the hidden pages. You would like to check that what is the reaction to that particular page from the your selected audience. We can do this one. Audience we have been selected only India. Then you can select the objective, like it may be a page view. Again one more objective you can add, that is nothing but a session duration. I would like to check for the variant new page, I would like to check how many of them are visiting, and how much time they are spending. Then we can say start. So that the new variant has been created and it will be targeted only to the Indian customers, and we will measuring about how many of them are visiting and how much time they are spending. Okay, this is how we can conduct a retargeting. In the sense, different web pages you have a confusion like which page to be selected, which page to be selected for my business. Okay, that particular time you can do this particular test, redirect test.